You searched how to buy shares of mwb Fairtrade Wertpapierhandelsbank AG, a German securities trading bank listed on Xetra under the ticker mwb0.de. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy this stock, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with a valid ID, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker mwb0.de to locate the stock. Make sure the result shows Xetra, so you select the correct listing. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Verify the issuer name matches mwb Fairtrade Wertpapierhandelsbank AG and that the market is Xetra. Tap Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the Xetra market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed, where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description for reference.